Okay, so now we will discuss about the calculation of the arithmetic mean in case of the different kinds of the frequency distribution series. There are mainly the 5 kinds of the frequency distribution series, which is the inclusive series, exclusive series, mid-value series, and cumulative frequency distribution series, and open-ended series. Firstly, we will discuss here the calculation of mean in case of the cumulative frequency distribution series. As we know very well that the cumulative frequency distribution series refers to the series in which the frequency is given in a cumulative sense rather than the direct frequency is given. The frequency is given in a cumulative sense. It means the sum up of the frequency will be given. It can be of the two kinds, in the form of the less than and in the form of the more than. In the less than form, generally the frequency is in the ascending order. It means first item will be less than the second item will be less than the third item will be lower than the fourth item, and fourth item is the lower than the fifth item. So firstly, in this kind of the series, if we want to calculate the arithmetic mean, the first step will be there to convert the cumulative frequency distribution series into the simple series. It means into the exclusive series, the first one. So how, firstly we will discuss about how to convert the cumulative frequency distribution series into the simple frequency distribution series. As like the class intervals are given here, less than 10, less than 20, less than 30 is there, it means the gap between the class intervals are 10. So firstly the class interval will be used as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, right? After that, what the steps will be taken in order to calculate the original frequency? We will ultimately deduct the lower limit from the upper limit. In order to calculate the original frequency, we will deduct the lower limit from the upper limit. Now here, this is the first one limit will be similar. In the second one case, class interval, the second limit was 17 and the first limit was 5. 17 minus 5 will be 12. In the next class interval, 31 minus 17, it means 17 will be deducted from the 31. In the next one class interval, 41 will be 31 will be deducted from 41. In last class interval, 49 minus 41 will be there. It means in order to calculate the simple frequency of the class interval, what will we do? We will simply calculate or deduct the upper limit from the lower limit. Here the lower limit is the same in the first class interval in this case. Then 17 minus 5, 12. Then 31 minus 17, it's again 14. Then 41 minus 31, 10. 49 minus 41, it's 8. 5, 12, 14, 10 and 8 will be the original frequency. Okay, after that the same method will be used in order to calculate the mean. Here we are using the direct method. So what is the formula of direct method? Sum of fm divided by sum of f. So these are the class interval. Firstly we will find out the mid value, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, like this. After that it will be, this is the original frequency, it will be multiplied by the original frequency 25, 180, 5 into 5, 25, 15 into 12, 180, 25 into 14, 350, 35 into 10, 350, 45 into 8, 360. Here is the sum of fm is 1265, sum of f is 49. So we will put it into the formula. 1265 divided by 49 is equal to the 25.28. This is the simple process to calculate the arithmetic mean in case of the less than cumulative frequency series. And one point to be remembered very carefully, that any of the series, any form of the frequency distribution series, if we want to calculate the arithmetic mean, we just have to convert firstly the series frequency, any form of the frequency distribution series in the form of the exclusive series. Then we can calculate the further one process. As like similarly, the more than will be given, more than series can also be there. In the more than series, the frequency will be given in the descending order, 30, 28, 24, 18, and 10. In this kind of series, the lower limit will be similar. It means the 10 will be similar. You will deduct from below to upper. It means 18 minus 10 then will be equivalent to 8. 24 minus 18 then will be equivalent to 6. 28 minus 24 will be equivalent to 4. And 30 minus 28 will be equivalent to 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. This will be the original frequency. And what will be the class interval here? 0 to 10, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, and 8 to 10. This will be the simple way to calculate the original frequency. And after that, the same process will be followed. The class interval, the first one, mid value will be calculated by the class interval. Then frequency is there, multiply the frequency with mid value. Sum up of the mid value and sum of f, mean will be equivalent to the sum of fm divided by sum of f. This is the simple process to calculate the mean in case of the cumulative frequency distribution series, either in the form of less than series or in the form of the more than series.